Okay, I really have to get going on wrapping the presents, and I dressed Rafael up for the occasion. Bloop. He's a superhero! You're super!
Mommy, you want the blue one?
Yeah. You can have a blue one or a red one. We gotta tighten it because he stretched it out. That's so cute!
Still blue one.
Okay, let's go wrap presents that you're fixing to open tomorrow.
You need to open this door. Car's coming!
The blue car's not coming. Raphael, we're marking this occasion.
There's the blue car coming in the window.
What are you going to do? You're gonna go to sleep. Go to bed with underwear on instead of a diaper. You're gonna take a nap with your underwear.
You're taking a nap? No. You're not taking a nap in the underwear.
You're not gonna pee or poop.
No pee, no poop.
Right?
No poo.
No pee, no poop.
Pee-pee in bed.
Yeah, they both pee and poop, so you don't pee and poop in the bed, do you?
Pee-pee
You
in
have
bed.
to pee and poop, you can go to the toilet.
You go to the toilet and pee and poo.
No
All right.
pee, no poop in the bed.
Go ahead and go to bed with your big boy underwear on. No diapers, big
What
boy.
about hugging, kissing mommy?
Mommy, hug and kiss.
You're such a big boy now. I don't know what to do. You're
Night
such a
night.
big boy. Okay, good night.
When did I talk to the telephone?
Tell Daddy good night.
Goodbye, Daddy.
Good night, Alpha. I love you. See you later.
See you later.
You're such a big boy. I'm so proud of
Bye.
Bye bye.
You gotta put it in his case.
you. Gotta protect it.
You gotta put it in his
Doing
case.
better than Daddy.
Raphael has to put it in the case.
Alright. Put yourself to bed like a big boy.
If he
He
had
was
known
busy.
that it's an ambulance, he would say it right away.
Well, he knew it. He was
He'd
just
call it
busy.
out.
He's doing something. Are you
What?
busy?
I'm busy.
Yeah. Okay, good night.
What are you reacting?
No, really. I'm spazzing. Hold on.
Where? Right here?
In my belly.
Right here?
Because you stabbed me with your bony elbows
I know.
in my leg and you made me jerk.
Oh, you,
Alright,
are you
that's
quick?
That's enough, Daddy.
I'm gonna say I know the rumble.
The main discussion right now is whether we're gonna go to an apartment, and if it's an apartment, is it gonna be a 4-bedroom or a 3-bedroom? The two different buildings right at the same spot have one 4 and one 3-bedroom, so we're looking into it. Not sure yet. No one's sure. But we're having my sister and mom. Well, not my mom because she's not here. But my
She's in
sister for now.
Brazil.
She's gonna be looking for a place for us.
I know.
Because Andrea still prefers a house, but I doubt we'll get a house that suits our needs.
Yeah, and this apartment is huge. It's
I know.
1,200 to 1,450 square feet. So it's huge.
All right, night night. Let's go to bed. Go on.
I'm tucking in the fence.
I've really been trying to be nice here, but her fur is just in my way. I keep telling Kitty, this is not your chair, Kitty. Kitty. Kitty, that's not your chair. No, it's not your chair. Get down. Get down, Kitty. Not your chair. Psst. It's not your chair. Get down. Psst. Shh. Not your chair, Kitty. Yeah, I know this is ass backwards from what I need to do, but she just can't help it to pet the kitty. Come on, kitty.
Why did I get 3 emails to download the YouTube music?
What in the world is Veggie Go or Veggie something or non-GMO? You keep spamming me. Somehow you signed my email for that stuff.
I don't
And
even
now I
get
keep-
that. I have no idea what you're talking about.
Spamming my box.
I have no idea what you're talking about. I don't even get nothing like that. But you're in my light. Thanks. I mean my vision.
Oh, your vision? I'm in your vision. Of course I am.
That's how you say it in the country. You're in my light. Move.
Really?
Well, I say move your face because when I need you to move, your face is always attached, so move your face. Right? Yeah.
There, I moved my face.
Yeah. I'll turn it all the way around with a quick trick.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We've been learning about kitties. It's very educational. It has stuff that even parents don't usually know. So it's got parent tips too, like for the parents.
Here you go, read this.
Hurt people hurt people. That's how pain patterns get passed on, generations after generation after generation. Break the chain today. Be anger with sympathy, contempt with compassion, and cruelty with kindness. What's grimaces?
A mean face.
Greet grimaces with smiles. Forgive and forget about finding fault. Love is the weapon of the future.
Look who's by, Yehuda.
Yuda Berg.
Yehuda, that's...
Did you know Berg?
Jude.
Berg is always going to be Ashkenazi because they come from Europe, because Berg in German is a mountain.
Like Friedman.
Goldberg.
And
Fried
also...
is peace in
Yehuda
German.
is
Yehuda.
Joshua?
No, Judah.
Judah.
Yehuda.
Yeah, we were going to name a baby Judah.
No, you were.
Judah, Judah.
Oh, effing pass. I'll pass. I will pass.
I liked Malachi. I still
I'll
like
pass.
Malachi. Raphael's more of a Malachi than he is a Raphael.
Jeez. No, he's not. That's his name and that's it.
Yeah.
Get off your chair, kitty. Kitty, get off your chair, kitty. Kitty. Psst. Get off your chair, kitty.
Judah.
Oh, she's leaving her fur on there. She's just not complying. You gonna go say hi to mommy?
Yeah.
You gonna go say hi to mommy?
Yeah.
Do you love your mommy?
Running.
Yeah, you were running for a long time.
Running for...
We ran all around the block. Actually, he caught up to me. And then, oh wait. First, he didn't catch up to me. He was behind me because I was walking fast and he was running fast. So then he's like, Daddy, Daddy. And I'm like, what? And then he goes past me. He already, like he has a mindset. He understands the small things, like how to beat me. So then he beat me running. And then I caught up to him and we just ran all around the block.
Mommy, this is Mommy.
Go ahead. Oh no, it's locked. Hold on.
Mommy.
Yeah, hold on. Here.
Please, Hi, Mommy. Teacher goes fast and running.
He was behind me and he said, Daddy, Daddy! So I looked back and he already passed me and he knew it because he laughed. And then we ran all around the block and expended some energy except...
He's running.
And then over there it's running.
I love your outfit.
Very good.
And it's Ravios and not running.
Maybe you should save this outfit for tomorrow.
Because he's a monkey.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's true.
Yeah.
True say, brother. You know what says that?
True say.
Do you know what said that?
No.
Lost? Desmond?
Oh, yeah.
All right, brother.
Yeah, I didn't really like that guy. I like that black guy with the bald head.
Echo.
Echo. My favorite
The priest.
character. Character. Jesus.
Where are you from?
Criminy. My favorite character.
What are you doing now?
I'm getting out the birthday stuff.
All right, boy and I are going to work out. Is that okay?
Great. Okay, bye.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds sarcastic.
Yeah.
That would challenge the normal human being, you know, the normal adult. He was walking really fast, and he just keeps on going. He doesn't stop either. All right, the vacuum is there because it's not working. I have no clue what's wrong with it, so I went and washed the filter for now, and then I'm just gonna have to open it. Jeez, I haven't even noticed the TV is on. So used to the noise, background noise. What are you doing now? You playing with your magnets?
I'm playing in a triangle.
Oh, you're making triangles out of your magnets. That's nice. Not sure what we're gonna eat tonight. Mommy, what are you eating tonight? Yeah. Have I ever mentioned that I have to open the door to get the key out in order to put my shoes back in? Fast food?
Yeah.
What do you want?
McDonald's.
McDonald's, we don't even...
We've never ate at McDonald's ever.
we don't eat at McDonald's. We don't even. I don't think we ate there but once when we were at Beersheba.
No, we didn't. We gave it to Zeb.
Yeah, Zeb ate 50 shekels. Can you imagine, like, almost $15 for a meal? You know what's in that meal? What's in that meal? Nothing.
No,
One
triangle,
hamburger without
triangle,
cheese.
No, triangle.
One medium.
This
It was
is
probably a small fry.
It's a royal,
actually.
a McRoyal, not even, you know, like not a double cheeseburger or something. It
A
was just
hamburger
little.
without cheese because it's kosher. Disgusting. Yuck.
And a small cheeps. Don't say yuck. It's not terrible. It's just
Yuck.
bad.
McDonald's without cheese? No thank
You know how many
you.
years I haven't made McDonald's for? Except for one time, which I didn't have really McDonald's. It was like their Texas or New York.
Triangle.
That's very nice. Look at the color coding.
Triangle.
Look at that. Red and yellow, red and yellow.
Kill a fellow.
Exactly. And look behind you. There's more red and yellow and blue.
White, red, yellow, white.
He's hot and messy, and his head is just hot. I think we need the air conditioner. It's actually nice and cool outside, but because we have light in here, we get mosquitoes like no tomorrow.
Triangle.
Don't want those mosquitoes on me.
Oh, here's his presents.
Present triangle.
He ripped this one a little bit.
Here, Rafael. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
What?
What?
What is triangle? No, triangle.
Make it a triangle again, come on.
Come on.
Make it a triangle.
Come on.
You want to get a kid's attention, just go all out.
Just go out.
No, all out. Here, this is yours
Oh
too.
no, it's a triangle.
Can you pick things up with your foot and then pick them up with your hand without moving? Whee! Whoa! Oh, careful, careful, careful!
No. No.
No! Like he can prevent it. No, how could this happen to you?
I made my mistake.
Life don't go on.
And I'm fading away.
This is where the OCD song should come in.
It's an OCD song.
You like it? You like the OCD song?
You want an OCD song?
Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the OCD song, it's those two very famous people that we should not be helping because they're already that famous.
Rhett and Link.
Yeah. Millions of views. But it's so perfectly aligned with his condition.
You want an OCD song?
See, actually.
I mean the OCD song. You want OCD?
Mommy, that's heavy metal.
What is
You
it?
want OCD?
Slipknot, Wait and Bleed.
You want
Oh, yeah.
OCD?
I like that song.
Do you want OCD? Do you? Yeah?
Yeah,
Here we go.
OCD.
OCD.
Woohoo!
No, it's OCD.
What is it?
OCD.
Oh.
Hello,
OCD song.
Mr. Neil. How are you today? Don't
OCD.
worry.
OCD song.
I don't need anyone else.
That picture frame,
Yeah, turn it
they're
down.
driving me insane.
The picture.
Beaches. And the
Go back
glasses.
to
And pizza. Pizza.
Slices.
Meow, 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 meow.
That's our neighbors. They're singing for the Shabbat.
You better say scoot
Well,
over.
it's when you
I better say, he said, I better say scoot over. Okay,
When you
scoot
say-
over.
Scoot over.
Okay, I'll sit here then.
Oh, goodness.
No! Don't sit on here and Raphael.
Okay, I'll try not to. You're almost 3. I don't want to break you.
You just reminded me of the
You try to
Witch King.
scoot over.
Of the rings. I'll break you.
Try to scoot over.
I'll break you.
I'll
What are you
break
doing?
you.
Oh,
Don't fall, don't fall. Oh, I'm gonna get my seat. I'm gonna get my seat. I'm gonna get it. Ah.
This guy's not answering. I want to see if bad people are working at the pizza or not.
Mommy.
Oh.
Don't sit on rest.
This must be the second time he ever said that.
What did he say?
I'm tired, Mommy.
You're tired. You want to go to bed?
I'm still eating on the couch.
You peed on the couch?
No.
You better not. Yeah, me too. Hey, here's somebody drilling.
Full stun again. Awesome. At 9%, they can just heal. How'd you die back there? Yeah, he kind of got into his line of sight there. Yeah, that was too late. Just can't. We can't take chances because they can reset whenever they want.
In other news, I am looking at places to rent.
Again, try to stay out of this line of sight if he goes for
Look
you
at this
first.
ceiling, this roof. It's really weird. I think it's like supposed to be a Spanish style. And the tile is on the slant. And look at this, like they have 2 couches here. And I think they're like trying to make 2 spaces, like this side's for kids or something.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back to that. Here's the bathroom. It's just weird construction. We told you it was weird. And they have a yard
Yeah.
and a dining room, and there's the living room. Again, and see there's like a kid area. So it's like blocked off where you have a grown-up over here.
Oh,
See the kid area? So you have grown-ups over here and kids back here. And 2 big windows here. But that's all the pictures they have.
shit wall.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. Fully living.
Getting in a car accident with us?
It's really been saving your life, just having chicken ready to cook. So here we are, unpacking all our stuff, right? And then she goes and gets inside a bag, and now look what she did afterwards. I just had to film it. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Oh my god, I have to have a dessert right now.